Apple is revamping its iPhone 17 cases with bold new features that could redefine how we carry our phones. But here's where it gets controversial. The latest rumors suggest a radical shift from the once popular FineWoven material, which many found flimsy and untrustworthy. Instead, Apple is leaning into a futuristic synthetic fabric that promises both durability and a modern twist on style. Let's break down what's coming. Goodbye, FineWoven. A new era of synthetic fabric, the much-maligned FineWoven, known for its tendency to scratch and wear down quickly, is being replaced by a new synthetic fabric that feels more like a high-tech upgrade than a luxury item. This material has a textured surface that gives it a sleek, high-tech appearance, while matte colors like green, orange, blue, and purple add a pop of personality. Unlike FineWoven, this new fabric resists scratches and daily wear, making it a smarter choice for everyday use. Plus, it's eco-friendly, a move that aligns with Apple's broader sustainability goals. But here's the catch. While the look is modern and sharp, some may question its long-term durability. It's a trade-off between premium elegance and practicality, and the results will depend on how the material holds up under real-world conditions. The return of the integrated lanyard, inspired by AirPods Pro 2. A confirmed feature is the integrated lanyard loop in silicone cases, drawing inspiration from the AirPods Pro 2's practical design. Just as the AirPods Pro 2 case lets users attach their earbuds to bags or loops for secure carrying, the iPhone 17 lanyard allows users to wear the device on their wrist or hang it from a keychain. This is a game-changer for those who prioritize functionality and accessibility. Manufacturers have already updated their molds, signaling Apple's commitment to this feature. While not everyone may love it, the official lanyard could become a trend, following the success of similar solutions seen with AirPods Pro 2. However, some may argue that adding a lanyard complicates the design. Should form factor take precedence over utility? Versatility and style, liquid glass options. Beyond the synthetic fabric, Apple may introduce liquid glass cases, perfect for those seeking a more striking aesthetic. These versions promise a blend of durability and eye-catching design, expanding options for users who want both style and substance. Imagine a case that looks like liquid glass but is as tough as a traditional silicone shell. This could be the future of phone protection. Conclusion: Apple's direction for iPhone 17. The new iPhone 17 cases mark a clear shift in direction. Goodbye to FineWoven. Hello to a more durable synthetic fabric. Integrated lanyards inspired by AirPods Pro 2, and potential liquid glass options for a premium look. Apple is clearly focusing on modern, practical, and sustainable solutions, moving on from FineWoven for good. While we await official confirmation at the keynote, Cupertino's choices already seem set. So, what do you think? Is Apple finally prioritizing function over fashion, or is this just another step in a longer evolution? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because the future of iPhone cases is about to get even more interesting.